Hi loves, welcome to this video. So in my last video I taught you how to make a drawstring kinky ponytail. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I install it on my 4C natural hair. So my hair is in twist, so I'm going to be unraveling my twist and detangling my hair, so watch as I do that. Mind you, if you've not seen the last video on how I made the kinky ponytail drawstring, please go back to that video. I'll be putting the link above here. Go back to the video and watch it before coming back to this video. And also, you might be seeing that I'm unraveling my twist and you're not seeing any products, and I'm detangling my hair. I applied my products off camera, so in case you think I didn't apply any, I did, so that the detangling will be very easy. So after detangling my hair, I'm going to be sectioning my hair. I'm starting with the back of my hair. So I'm sectioning the back of my hair into 2 equal halves, and I'm using this elastic crunch to pack my hair. Mind you, if you have natural hair, please stop using rubber bands. It can destroy your hair. So I got this elastic crunch from the beauty supply store. You can get yours from there. So I'm just detangling the back of my hair. So I'll be using my Gorilla Snot Gel for this style, hoping it keeps my hair in place. So I'm going to be applying the gel into that section, massaging it into my hair and putting it into a ponytail.
Past we have a future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.
So at this point, I'll be choosing the style I want my ponytail to go into. So just watch as I take little sections of my hair and slick it with the gel and put it into a ponytail.
Trust you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arm. I'll make sure that you won't ever feel lonely no more. Whatever past we.
So as you can see, the gel is working. It's doing its work. My hair is in place and it's slicked down. So I'm just going to go over the process till the whole head of hair is slicked down. process of slicking down your hair is quite taxing and very stressful, but you just have to be patient and do it. So after sticking down my hair and putting it into a ponytail, I sectioned my hair in two and put it into braids, just 2 braids, so that my drawstring ponytail will be able to fit in. So I know that if you have natural hair, it's quite difficult to put down your hair in a slick bun, so you just have to find the gel that works best for you. For me, I just had to make do with what I had at home because I really didn't prepare for this particular style. It was just impromptu and I had to go out, so I just had to make my hair somehow. So as you can see, I applied more gel to keep my flyaways in place, and I'm using my brush to keep it in place. So I went in with my hair wax to do my baby hairs. I'm not a professional when it comes to baby hairs, so just pardon that part of me, okay? I'll just make it work somehow, anyhow.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to.
So I'm done slicking my hair, and this is the fun part. You just have to take a silk scarf and put it in place. So I'm just going to be tying my hair, and I'll go and do my makeup because I'm stepping out, okay? So I'll come back to show you what it looks like. I'm back. Remember what I did to my drawstring kinky ponytail? It didn't work. It was just a charade because I ended up combing it out to make it fuller. So this is what it's looking like after taking off the twists. So it has split ends. I'm just going to be using my scissors to trim the ends and shaping it, and that is it. So now let's take a look at what this scarf did. Did it slick it down? Yes, it did. Just take a look at my hair. It slicked down. It slicked down. Like after applying gel, the finished part is to use a sleek scarf to tie your hair and put it in place. Now I'll be placing my ponytail on my hair, first using the comb, and after using the comb, I'll tie the drawstring around my hair, and then I'm going to be using some bobbin pins to hold it in place, and voila, that is it. So this is my DIY kinky drawstring ponytail. So this is how I did, and this is the end result. It's actually looking pink, looking very beautiful. So this is how I did it. I hope you try yours. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, peace and love. Bye.